We got a beautiful, gorgeous morning. And I cleaned my car outside, so that sunroof is nice and clear now, which I really love. But I'm sitting in a different spot. I know I haven't been getting much work where I normally sit, so I thought I'd sit up here where I used to sit. I actually used to sit up here all the time, but we still got a little bit of snow from before. I know February's coming and the cold weather's going to start, but they did finish that Dollarama, which is a Canadian store, I believe. I don't think there's Dollaramas in the States, but yeah. And then there's a Shoppers Drug Mart right beside it, which is great because I watched them build that whole thing, and it's cheaper, the Dollarama. You can get things for the house and things like that, snacks and different things that are way cheaper, which is good. Cheap is good right now for everything, because it's soon not going to be that way, I don't believe. It's soon going to be pretty straining, which it really is, but it's going to get worse. I do know that. But we plug along, and God blesses us to keep us and hold us, and He holds us tight and gives us comfort by His Spirit within. And we're able to share that with each other as believers and brethren in the body of Christ. This is my main premise for the channel, and just to build up the body of Christ and give comfort where I can give comfort. And that's what God has called me to do, as far as I'm aware. Even when I'm ranting and beefing and complaining, hopefully that gives, an uplift for you, because, we're all going through the different trials and different experiences, but pretty much as a whole, as the body of Christ that are living now, we're all enduring, and we're all holding on by that thread that God keeps us, that golden, beautiful thread that God holds us with by His Spirit, and keeps us going, keeps us alive, keeps us vibrant in spirit, which I'm thankful for, because the rejuvenation in spirit is good, and we all need that uplift, every one of us. We're all considered in this world low, but we will be made high in our new celestial home, and that is coming swiftly to a celestial theater near you.